In July 2025, the UK economy hit the pause button, recording zero growth. After months of cautious optimism, this flatline is raising big questions about where Britain's economy is heading next. Official GDP figures show no month-on-month change in July, following a 0.4% rise in June. On the surface, the economy hasn't slipped backward, but it hasn't moved forward either. Looking deeper, the manufacturing sector was the biggest drag, shrinking by over 1%. Meanwhile, services inched up by just 0.1%, and construction managed a 0.2% rise, not enough to balance out the slump in production. Compared to last year, GDP in July was still 1.4% higher, but momentum is clearly slowing. The rolling 3-month growth rate also weakened, pointing to a fragile second half of 2025. Implications: make it engaging. What does this mean for the UK? For businesses, it's a sign of tougher conditions ahead. For workers, it raises concerns about job security and wages as the labor market cools. And for the government, it's mounting pressure ahead of the autumn budget to deliver policies that can spark growth and restore confidence. Economists warn that global trade pressures, high borrowing costs, and ongoing inflation risks are leaving little room for error. So, has the UK economy simply paused for breath, or is this the start of a bigger slowdown? The next few months will be crucial. Stay tuned as we track the numbers, the policies, and what they mean for your money and future. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on the world of finance and economics.